Welcome to the webinar, Lead Poisoning Prevention Week, Making an Impact, presented to you by the National Center for Healthy Housing and the National Safe and Healthy Housing Coalition. Today we are covering Lead Poisoning Prevention Week, How to Make an Impact. We're going to start out with planning events, tools and actions for successful events. We want to talk about why. Why are we here today? We're here today because of the families, because of the children impacted by lead. So National Lead Poisoning Prevention Week is October 23 through the 29th. We'll be using the LPPW2016 as a hashtag, and whenever you see that in our communications, that's what we're talking about, Lead Poisoning Prevention Week. So I want to bring on Cara Eastman. She's going to tell us about some of the events that are happening in Omaha as an example. Cara?
Thanks, Joe. Everyone can hear me, I assume?
Yes, very good.
Oh, great. Good. Sorry, I'm at a conference and it's loud in the hotel, but I'm happy to be here and share just a little bit about what we are doing in Omaha. And when I say we, I mean a huge number of partners who came together relatively quickly to put some events together. But the way we have it scheduled is we tried to do everything on one day so that we could get some momentum going, and also so that I wouldn't completely fatigue my team. And so in the morning, we're going to a home that our city lead hazard control program and Omaha Healthy Kids Alliance have been working on together. This is a HUD-funded program, and our U.S. Congressman is coming and going to talk with the family about their experience in the program. And then we're also putting in a yard sign for a campaign that we've started at Omaha Healthy Kids Alliance called Healthy Home in Progress. The Congressman is not allowed to put the yard sign in himself, but we could put it in and talk a little bit about that. And then he's not aware of this, but we're also going to ask him to ask Congress to increase funding for lead poisoning prevention. And so we'll sneak that in as well. I imagine he'll be in favor of such a thing. And then at noon, we're Methodist Hospital is actually Methodist College. The School of Nursing there is hosting a luncheon. And we are inviting key leaders in the city's elected officials. And we just got word that Michelle Miller and Shannon Steinbauer from HUD will be attending. We are also trying to get Secretary Castro to come, but we're having a big luncheon to basically just kick off Lead Poisoning Prevention Week, and then also launch a new campaign that we have in Omaha called the Lead Free in 5 campaign, which is a 5-point plan to eliminate childhood lead poisoning, or actually we're calling it to eliminate lead exposure for kids. And in all honesty, that is something we threw together very quickly to have a reason to bring everyone together for the luncheon. And the college was very generous to sponsor the luncheon. So again, this is a team effort. But we're excited about the luncheon. We'll make it kind of casual, but we'll invite partners to come and talk about what they're already doing around lead poisoning prevention, and then actually start developing a plan. We're going to have some pre-planning the week before, and Linda Kite is going to be coming out and helping us with that. And then in the evening that day, on the 24th, we are there's an elementary school in Omaha that is sponsoring a block party, and basically bringing together all kinds of different health organizations, social service organizations to have booths and information, and then there'll be games and a DJ and lead testing at the event. So we've just basically taken a one day and made it as robust as possible with all of our partners. So it's the Douglas County Health Department, the City Lead Poisoning Prevention Program, Methodist College, and then a group called Nebraskans for Civic Reform that is trying to get people to vote, and so they're the ones that are hosting the block party with the elementary school. So that is basically what we're doing in Omaha.
Thank you very much, Cara. I know that we have a question here from Carl Hess, and he asked, what would it take for Congress or Omaha to take leadership? I've asked for some more information on that, and we'll elaborate. We'll get back to you, Carl, as we get more understanding of your question. Cara, can you explain, I know you mentioned Linda Kite, and can you tell us a little bit about what Linda's doing and her role?
Yeah, so Linda's with the Healthy Home Collaborative in Los Angeles and has been to Omaha before to help us do some planning. And so we thought that it would be good to bring her in to meet with my team to talk about grassroots organizing around lead poisoning prevention, and then to help facilitate some planning with partners as we develop this Lead Free in 5 campaign, to really flesh out what that could look like for a city like Omaha. And really, though, I think for like a lot of other cities, we're doing stuff already, and I think even just bringing that to light is really important, and then developing a plan of what we're going to do for the next few years.
So thank you, Cara. Again, we know that you're at a conference this morning, and we really appreciate you being able to come in and share your story about your stories and about what you're doing. If you want to be in touch with Cara, she's easy to get in touch with. We have her email here in the presentation in the slides and her phone number. Thank you very much, Cara.
Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye. Thanks, Jeff.